Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make these home decor signs with your Cricut machine. Today I won't go through the design space process with you, but you can get this SVG file in my free resource library. So let's just jump right into the video.
So this is the frame that I will be using. I have 3 of these, and as you can see, I have already cut out my words to go on the frame. So it will say "Peace be still." Each frame will have, different word down the middle. And then for this one, I will put the mark 439 underneath it. But I want to show you a few more details about this frame. So as you can see, it is an 11 by 17 inch frame, and it is the Green Tree Gallery frame. And I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I'll just flip it over on the back side. So the price is regularly $21.99, but Hobby Lobby often has their frames on sale for about 50% off. So I got 3 frames at that 50% discount. And so, yeah, so what I will do basically is to take off the back and then flip this sheet around, and I will actually apply my vinyl to the glass. So I've already done this part for my other 2 frames, but I'll just show you on camera how I do it. So I take the little scraper thing and just pull these pieces up. And so basically what I'll do, take this sheet, flip it over, and put this back inside. And then take that same tool and push those clamps back down. Okay, and that is it. So one thing I forgot to check or to remind you all of is to make sure that when you flip it, that there's no, nothing on the white part. I do have some alcohol and a napkin so that I can clean my glass, because that's where you will be applying your vinyl. And the good thing too about placing your vinyl on your glass is, you can still see that I have like some little hair pieces and other little lint pieces on the inside of the glass. But whenever you place your vinyl on the glass, you can always take the back off and, get those little pieces off. So I'm not really worried about, this, how it looks right now. I will go back in and clean the inside of the glass. So now I'm going to take my transfer tape, and I get this transfer tape from Expressions Vinyl. And please excuse the barking dog outside. There's a house right next to my apartment building, and there are about 6 dogs. So please excuse the dogs barking in the background. But I get this transfer tape from Expressions Vinyl. And as you can see, I've used some of these pieces and cut off some pieces before and just wrapped them around here. So I'm just going to remove those first. Okay, so I'm going to start with my piece, and I will tell you to be careful to not apply pressure, to your glass. And this probably goes without saying, but one time I was making some of these picture frames, and I, put my weight on the frame and the glass broke. So I had to go back to Hobby Lobby, but they did end up replacing the glass for me. So yeah, just be careful. So now, okay, I need to grab my scissors really quickly. Okay, so I will cut a piece that's big enough, and typically what I like to do is to leave it rolled out like that, and then I'll just lay this down and then cut across. Next, I'll take my scraper and just push down on the vinyl. And this vinyl that I'm using, it is Starcraft vinyl. You can probably see parts of the words. I buy this from a local company where I live, but you can find Starcraft vinyl online as well. So this is what that looks like. And if you want to, you can shave off some of the extra transfer tape. And that may be a bit easier so that whenever I'm trying to place it, you know, it doesn't start sticking where it doesn't need to. So trim that off. And this is how I get my little scraps, like that. And I won't peel off too much on the bottom because I want to reuse this piece of transfer tape for my other pieces of vinyl. Okay, so now I will peel off the backing. Move my frame over and get ready to position it. So my head may get in the shot some here, but I'm gonna try my best to show you all. Okay, let me hold it up to see. I feel like I could have went up a little bit more, but it's gonna be okay. And obviously, again, because you're placing the vinyl on the glass, you could always scrape the vinyl off if you need to reposition or if you messed up or anything like that. So just use my scraper to press down on the vinyl. And then pull the vinyl or the transfer tape away at a diagonal angle. And that is what the first one looks like. So again, because this transfer tape doesn't come with a backing, I'll just wrap it around here until I get ready to use it again for the next ones. So I'll move this out the way. So this is the finished product of my signs. Obviously I'm standing right over these, so I can't get a high level view of what they look like. But this is just simply how you do it. If I need to change up anything, I'll be sure to do that, and I'll probably do that off camera. But this is just how you make your own home signs using vinyl and some frames that you purchase. Be sure to like this video, leave any comments down below, and thank you for watching.